So just start by stating your name and why you started coming to Melinda's Chiropractic.
My name is Aileen Chudzik, and I started coming because my husband recommended it to me. He started coming first, and it worked out really well for him, so he thought I should try it.
And what have you experienced since you've started coming?
Most of my problems are up in my upper back, so I've definitely noticed that it's easier for me to sit up straight, which I was hunching a lot before, so I have much better posture, and my mood has actually changed a little bit too, gotten a little bit better.
And so what would you recommend to others, whether it's just pain or trying out chiropractic in general?
Just come in and give it a shot. It is super easy once you get the hang of it, and these guys are super, super nice, and they make it really comfortable. So just come give it a shot.